Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you, please forgive the humming in the background. It is hotter than heck where I'm at, and I'm not really in the mood to sweat off about 30 pounds, so that's my air conditioner running, so please forgive that with this video. But, as you can see, we've got something so brand spanking new from Gerber, it's practically just out of the package. Kinda is within the last couple hours, but still. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about that brand new blade. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so very much for choosing this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe, here is your first chance. Right down here, you're going to see the little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that, click on it, do whatever you got to do to pull up subscribe, knock that out the way early. Guys, you're going to want to come along for the ride because, man, this channel is growing and we're bringing some really cool stuff to the channel. Alright, now as you know by that little thumbnail, whatever you clicked on, you know we're going to take a look at the brand new Gerber Quadrant. There's the front of the package. And there is the back. Alrighty, guys. Here it is in all its glory. Now, they do make two versions of this blade. You've got the one that I really wanted with the bamboo scale, and the other one has a white G10 scale. I will tell you what seriously attracted me to this is the fit and finish. I really liked how it looked with the black, oh dear God, the black coating, the silver blade, and the bamboo scale. I thought it was just a pretty little piece of artwork. Gerber calls it a fashion statement with function. But alright, let's get into the fun like we usually do. Overall, it's got a length of 6.75 inches. The blade is 2.75. Enclosed, it's 4 inches. It's got a minor weight to it of 3.08 ounces. It is really, really, really lightweight. It does have a hollow grind to it. It's got the plain edge, as you can see, which, knowing Gerber, that's pretty rare nowadays. You get one without serrations. Now, what kills me is they call this a satin finish, but I'll be honest. It doesn't look satiny to me. I can see a lot of, like, the grind lines right there, and I don't see the usual neat stuff I do with a satin finish. But it still works for me. Now, the blade steel is a budget steel, like Gerber usually does with a lot of things, of 7CR 17 MOV. Now, look, I know, it's going to put a lot of people off, and a lot of people are going to complain about the steel. But, it's going to hold an edge for a while, and that's part of the fun of owning a blade, right? That sharpening function. Getting down, getting with your blade, and getting a good feel for it. Or maybe that's just me. I don't know. Now, it does have that stainless steel frame, as you can see, and it's got that black coating over the top. As I mentioned previously, I got the one with the bamboo scale, just because it looks pretty awesome. Now, I will say I've read some reviews on some of these. Mine wasn't falling off when I got it. And mine's put together pretty solid. And I'm betting those are brass washers right down in there. No, I usually do not disassemble it all the way down when I first get a blade just to check out the washers. That's just me. Now, like every other Gerber blade I've seen brought to the channel recently, it is really, really brand new, so the flipper doesn't work that well. But it goes through its usual break-in process, and it will work eventually. Either that or I'm going to have to rip it apart like I don't want to, oil the crap out of it, and then go from there. As you can see, it has a really solid frame lock in there where it sits nice and beautiful. So yeah, that ain't budging. Now, it's only got one way to carry it, which is tip up, right-hand carry. I know there's a lot of you who hate that, but that's okay. And there is no lanyard hole on this one. So yeah, it's going to be fun pulling it out of your pocket because trust me, that is a deep carry pocket clip. And for those of you wondering, you don't see made in Portland. So yeah, this one's made in China. No big deal. Alright, now let's go to the fun part that we usually love to do here. Let's cut some stuff. Heavy duty stock paper. Now let's just go for the fast one. And let's do what we usually like to do. Oh well. Still slow, still went through, and it started to get that little curly cue going, so I'll take that. Yeah, it needs to be stropped. I don't know if you can see that, but paper flakes massively on the blade. So it needs to be stropped, and I guarantee it's probably going to run better the next time I do that. Paracord! Alright, little pull test. A little tighter, but no big deal. And a slice test. Okay. Now, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know, he's not my friend. I always cut on him every freaking video, don't I? But still. Alright, went through no problem. And this time, I really don't see anything picking up. Okay. Now, here's the other fun part. Alright, now just remember, this thing is really, really brand new. It's only been released, I don't know, within the last week or so, 2 weeks, I think. I found it on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $31.63. Gerber, it's $36, and Blade HQ is $27.95. It's got a 4 out of 5 star rating on Blade HQ with 1 review. Has not been reviewed over on Gerber with this model. I did not check out the one with the G10 scales because I don't own it, and I don't care what that one's rated. I only care about this one. On Amazon, this has been reviewed 14 times with a 4 out of 5 star rating. And those are pretty much, everybody seems to love it, and there's a couple that this thing's the biggest piece of crap ever. Okay, as we always do, and yes, my dumbass forgot the patches again, I want to know what you think. Nice F-bomb. Nice F-bomb. I kind of like it. I've been carrying it since I got it. Been playing around with it an awful lot. It cuts no problem. Feels no big deal in the pocket. My huge thing, though, I don't know if you can see it too well because of the bamboo. It seems to pick up things really easy and gets dirty pretty easy. So I wonder how long it's going to have that neat little look to it. But with that being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below in the comments section like we usually do. I know she's pretty brand new, so this is going to be some interesting comments. I hope I'm not going to see a lot of the usual F Gerber. But still. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for watching this one. I know it's a pretty weird video, and I know we do reviews here with knives a little differently than other channels do. I really like doing tabletop stuff. To me, it's a little bit more fun because everybody has a different experience with a blade. Now, for you first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, well, here's your second chance at redemption, because we here on the channel believe heavily in redemption. Look right down here. Right down here. Going to be a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. It's going to notify you, yeah, you, and you, and you, and you, and you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up. You know where already. Over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But hey, there we go, guys. My tabletop look at the brand new Gerber Quadrant. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.